wind. What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Sorry about not, what's it called? Sorry for not uploading a lot of videos recently. I apologize, but hopefully this will make it up to you. Today, we are gonna make this pumpkin explode with rubber bands. But before we start, go click that subscribe button. Go like this video if you like seeing pumpkins explode with rubber bands. And all my social media is in the description box below with all the links. Go follow me. And what was the other thing? Turn my notifications on. So every time I post a video, you'll get an alert. It's a little bell thing by the yeah. You see it? Yeah. Okay. You got it? Okay. Moving on. So what we're gonna do today, I've seen a lot of people do this. We're gonna just take some rubber bands and we're gonna put them on this pumpkin until it explodes. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It's a pumpkin, so I've seen it done to watermelons. So let's give it a try. So I moved it and I put my hair up because, you know, safety first. So what we're gonna do is you're going to open up these rubber bands. So let's do that first. And then we're going to put one by one. Oh, I hope these fit. Over the pumpkin. Okay. One down. Be careful. Rubber bands do snap. Oh yeah, you guys are probably running. Karis, why do you still have a pumpkin? It's December. Halloween and Thanksgiving are over. Ha! I never got a chance to carve my pumpkin, so I'm gonna make it explode. Rubber bands break, kids, and when they do, it really hurts. Okay. If I had a partner, it would be much more easier, but I don't. I'm lonely. By the way, I hope you're having a great holiday season with Christmas and everything going on. Well, what does it look like? Oh. Happy Christmas, or Merry Christmas, or however. Feliz Navidad, I don't know. Feliz Navidad. That echoes. My dog's looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. Just trying to make a pumpkin explode with rubber bands. People, it's fine, I'm not crazy. What should we name this pumpkin? Comment down below what do you think his name would be, or should be, or whatever. rubber band. Ow! Shush! Shush! Ow. That's the fourth or fifth time? Kids, don't try this at home. It's dangerous. You'll hurt yourself. Hey! Come here. She's got a right to be scared. I'll snap you. This rubber band might break and it will snap you in the face. So if I were you, I would stay over there. Because that's what I would do. But I don't have a choice. So.
An eternity later.
I kind of see a dent going back here. Yep, it's squeezing it. I think it'll break because I feel it. It's squeezing something. It's just, these are probably all going to be on there. Oh! Ah! Oh my word, that is cool. Oh, now I have a rubber band ball. This is... Ha! Well, I hope you enjoyed this. It took a while, you know, I mean, I guess it's worth it. You'll have sore hands and blisters and rubber bands will pop and smack your hands and everything, but you know, go subscribe, follow me on all my social media. Turn my notification, whatever, how do you say it? Potato, tomato, tomato, notification. Yeah, whatever. Bye!